All right. What's going on, people of the internet? Is my camera all right? Finally, it's catching up. Seems like we are lagging a little bit behind. But now it seems to be good. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Let's do some trading today of stocks. Let the AI also tell us. And let me also grab my headphones so we don't have any echo in here. And so how do I connect this? Let's go over here and over here. All right, I've heard the chimney and seems like we should be all good and all live. Nice. Okay. I'm tired as hell because today it's ultra hot like every other day for the past week. But let's talk to Maddie. Let's go. Let the AI give us some introduction.
Hello, Philip and everyone on the stream. It's great to be here again. How can I assist you today with stocks?
That sure is. All right, so yesterday we were trading some Forex and actually, you know what? Let me show you first. So we started with where's the trading over here? We started with we had this one waiting order here, the USD CAD, and look at it go. And I gotta check out the live stream from yesterday because it seems like I totally forgot to set take profit there. Because if you take a look,
moving to USD CAD, what would you like to know?
We had the opening position that's 35,524. So over here. So over here we have the open position somewhere over here. This profit was around 20 bucks up here. I was just checking it before I went live. I was like, what the hell? And there is no take profit on it, or is there? It is now. Yeah, I said it now, but I haven't set it up before. That's lame again for me. Seems like those late night streams are not doing me good because I just tend to forget about those crucial steps. Anyways, now it's set. We will leave it there. And as for the NZD, we're still holding. And it almost felt like
to NZD USD. What can I help you with?
It almost felt like it's gonna go there. So we are open somewhere around 184, somewhere around here. So this is our sorry, 184. So this is our basically entry price. We started over here, and as good as it looked today over here, we then received a pump, and it seems like we are again waiting for a turnover. We will have it there. We will forget about it for now. We will see how it goes in the upcoming days. But other than that, look at this history. It looks actually pretty good. So let me select the last week. So that's starting on Monday. There we go. Okay. So this is actually quite good. We get, except for those two stocks, which were like basically against the other, they gave 0. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 successful trades. And that's really good. That's really good. That's some good predictions right there, you know. I think that I make mistakes sometimes like this. I gotta pay for it, but hey, look, those predictions are really good. They actually turn out to be most of the transactions. So let's say we've got 10 transactions and too bad, that's really good score. Although of course we should have a stop loss here and some decent risk management. I kind of don't do it lately, but yeah, because honestly I do believe it will turn around and we will get back to the price. And I think those even they suck right now. I think they will actually turn to be good. Anyways, today we will focus on stocks. So let me disable signals here for the whole Forex party. Let's go for some stocks. So I'll put some stocks that I like. Let's go Nvidia. Let's go with Netflix, Microsoft. Let's do McDonald's, why not? Intel, Google, Facebook. It's the typical technological blue chips, whatever software companies. Amazon, and also Apple. All right, and we will start with Apple.
I am moving to #AAPL.
And today,
What can I help you with?
I would like to open some positions that we will hold for a little bit longer. So we will switch to long-term mode for today, and we will do long-term analysis of the markets, and we will try to create some trades for a week or so. It's new for me as well, so we'll see how it goes. You can take this as a total newbie trying to work on the stocks. So let's see about that. For those who are new here, my name is Philip. I'm the author of Market Mentor AI, and we are building this tool to bring people AI and financial markets to their palms, to their hands, so everyone can use it easily to do their own analysis and their own predictions. Market Mentor AI is like a buddy that you can talk to 24/7, use it for you know, talking about stocks, talking about Forex, commodities, indexes, everything that is in here. And it has real-time data, so you know, it's not like those models that are out there. We actually do have some really, really good technological system that allows us to monitor all those markets in real time, and it works quite good. It's a really nice tool. Hello there, Black Orb Trading Signals. Thanks really much. Yeah, it's gonna be almost a year. I mean, it's been 8 months since I first started first lines of code. And in May, we launched the product, and now we have some people are really using it. Not some, there's actually quite a good community already. So we like it. It's good. It's really good. Although it seems like you can take a look now at the portfolio, like you've got minus $87 there. Yeah, of course, you know, I do sometimes do mistakes here. I'm just a human trying to kind of play, you know, as much with the AI or show you as much of the AI as I can. But sometimes I also do my own thing, and then sometimes I do mistakes. And it's always funny to come back to the streams and be like, oh, I should have listened to the AI. It was actually right. That happens really, really often. But you can see most of the trades are managed with the AI, and you can see that the score is really good. Look, it really, you know, numbers don't lie. So the AI has some grasp to it. So anyways, so we will go through those selected stocks. I'll be here for around 20 minutes. It's going to be a little bit faster today, and we will do some trades. So let's start. So let's start with Apple. I'm going to reload data.
Ready to return to #AAPL.
And let's go, baby.
Just let me know, what would you like to discuss?
I would like to open a trade for approximately a week. Could you recommend me, based on the data, which direction I should go? Thank you.
Interesting. There's a
Uber is giving us a signal now, so I'll check it out eventually.
Hello, Philip. Based on the data, let's analyze the recent price movements and indicators for #AAPL. Looking at the 4-hour data, we can observe that the stock has been oscillating within a certain range. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is currently around 56, indicating that the stock is in a slightly overbought state. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, is negative, suggesting a potential bearish signal.
Okay.
However, it's important to note that these short-term indicators can be volatile and subject to market fluctuations. Examining the one-day data, we see that the stock has also been consolidating within a range. The RSI is around 47, indicating a more new. It seems we've got a potential.
Okay, so it's telling us that it seems that it's in a consolidation phase right now, and we should monitor for a breakout or clear the direction of the signal. So it's actually not giving us any idea here. Okay, that's all right. We can move on. We'll go to another one. And sorry, it seems like my camera is lagging today. Sometimes it's really difficult to tell what's going on with my setup here, but yeah, I think at least it's. Let me also crop it a little bit. I think I should move this a little bit down. Yeah, like that. I think that's better. Okay, moving on. So let's go with the signal we had here with the Uber. We'll see what the AI tells us here. And for those who are new here, you can check out our profile here at TradingView, and there is all the links you need to get your hands on the AI as well. There's 3 days free trial, so you can try it before you decide if you want to use it or not. And the pricing is really affordable, and believe me, it's a really good service. Cannot imagine trading without it anymore.
Analyze the trading scenario for hashtag UBER. Looking at the 4-hour data, we can see that hashtag UBER has been in an overall uptrend. The stock has been trading above its 50-day moving average, MA, and 200-day MA, indicating positive sentiment and long-term momentum. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is above 50, suggesting that the stock is in a bullish phase. Additionally, the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, indicator is slightly negative, but the signal line is also declining, which might indicate a potential reversal in the short term. Now, considering the one-day data, we see a similar pattern. Hashtag UBER has been trading.
Sorry, I'm gonna mute her here. Based on this analysis, it appears to be favorable trading opportunity for Uber buying opportunity. So it's suggesting us to go for buy. So let's give it a shot. And we will set up. We will not set up strict take profit. We will just do. We will open the stock and we will. I'll get to the comments right away. So let me just set up the trade first. So that is Uber. Let me just dial that in. Hang on a second. Okay, why is not adding anything in here? Let me just go through Uber. Let's go. Was it Uber, right? It was Uber. Yeah, cool. So Uber, how many stocks do we buy? Do we buy like 10 stocks? Is it enough? 10 stocks? Let me see. Let me explore that. So we bought 10 stocks. Uber, I think it's good. Let's buy 10 stocks of Uber and we will see how it goes. Okay, comment time. So she's doing basically CCA for you. Yeah. But it's actually combination. It doesn't do just technical analysis, but also knows news and so on. How did she implement data to the AI? Is she working just with the conventional tools like RSI, MACD, and so on? So that's part of the secret knowledge, right? No, yeah, it's been a lot of work. Yeah, it's been really, as I said, I've been working on this for it's gonna be 9 months now. Wow, time really flies. So yes, there is some technological leaps and technological advancements that I have created. Of course, this is absolutely not for free. It takes a lot of computational power, and you know, there are different mechanisms to deliver the data into the AI. It's being trained. The training was really also part of it, and it's you know, we are working on the models as we go, so it's improving. It's an everlasting thing to do, and so it does use most of the conventional things like RSI, MACD, stochastic, but also I've been developing the algorithmic, you know, trading tools, expert advisors, mostly for MetaTrader, for almost 10 years now. So I used a lot of knowledge from that and implemented a lot of things into that. So basically, there are bots that I have created before that are working under the AI, and it's like an ecosystem. It's actually really quite nice and complex and interesting thing altogether. yeah, and everything is communicating together, and it's trying to figure out things for the user. So one of the things is to just analyze, trends and basically give you an idea what's going on and the reasoning behind it. But it can also turn between different modes. So we've got short-term mode, long-term mode, and we've got signals, which is actually what you're asking for. It actually generates take profits and stop losses for you. And it can also suggest a time period, for example, if it's like for 15 minutes, an hour, a day, and so on. Then we can tap into economic news and, news from economic calendars. And then we have educational talk, which is basically fed with information about trading in general, and it can help you guide through this world of trading. It can explain you whatever you basically want to ask, like how MACD works, what is RSI, how can I open an account with a broker, for example, what is leverage. So the tool is like really having a partner in trading that kind of knows a lot of stuff, gets the real-time data, and can provide you with as much information in as short time as possible, so you don't have to dig around, and this is the purpose of the AI. It's not a magical tool. It's not like it's a crystal ball and it looks into the future and knows where exactly it's going to go. That's not true. But we've run some statistics, and it turns out that 80% of whatever reasoning she does, the AI, we call it she because we named it Maddie. So 80% of the time, whatever Maddie says is actually true. It turns out to be true eventually, which is crazy good, So if you follow the AI with your trading ideas, you can actually quite leverage your trading game and make it so good. So yeah, it's a evolution also. So it's great. I'm happy that I can work with these new tools, and it's really something that keeps me happy. And I hope I can deliver the best AI financial software for regular folks like me and you as I can. So I hope that answers the question. And thank you for the question, by the way. So we've got Uber solved. Let's go. Do we have any other signals? We have for Dell. Also, you can tap here on the green button or red button by default, but if you tap on it, it goes green. And when it's green, it's actually whenever there is a signal. So those bots are relentlessly working on the server, looking for opportunities, looking for patterns, looking for dips and highs and lows, looking for similarities. And this is mostly technical based, and whenever there is something, it is sent to the AI. The AI then processes the information, and if it founds valuable or is in favor of this idea, it propagates to the users, where they can then tap into this and talk about it with the AI and kind of refine the final decision. So that's really something. So let's go for Dell here. Let me switch to the 4-hour again.
As an AI assistant, I can't provide specific trading scenarios or recommendations. However, I can analyze the data and provide you with some valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. Looking at the 4-hour and 1-day data for hashtag DELL, we can see that the stock has been trending upwards overall. The moving averages, such as the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, are also indicating an upward trend. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, for both time frames suggests that the stock is in a slightly overbought territory. This could be an indication that the price may experience a short-term correction or consolidation.
Okay.
The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is positive, indicating bullish momentum in both time frames. However, it's worth noting that the MACD histogram in the 4-hour data has been decreasing, which could suggest a potential loss of short-term momentum. In terms of recent price action, there has been some consolidation and slight pullbacks.
Okay, so I think the AI is suggesting there's going to be a little bit of pullback. So why don't we prepare a trading scenario? Let's open one buy right now with half of our money that we want to spend on this stock, and prepare another buying scenario over here. What do we say? It could be a really good workout. So let me bring the Dell into my trading panel here, and Dell. So how much is for the stock? Similar like with Uber. So let's buy 5 stocks right now, and then we will prepare another around 53.27, 53, 53, around here, 17, 53, 17. Yeah, let's try 53, 17. Wow, it's really far away. 53, 17. Okay, 53, 20. So something like that. Buy limit 5. Okay, we're set. We're set to go. Sounds good. Let's go to another one. Let's go. Did we have any more signals here? Dell, Uber, and then I had some Forex pairs. So let's go to Zoom, for example. Okay, so what do we have here? I would like to open a trade for a little bit of longer period. Can you take a look at the data, the trends, and so on, and suggest me what can I do in here? Thank you. So how is everyone doing, by the way? Yeah, a lot of liquidation clear out going on in the market at the moment after economic release. Once the clear out is gone, original price will prevail. If anybody isn't drowned on, hold it and wait for tomorrow's markets. If still drowned tomorrow, close. Exactly my thoughts. You know, I'm thinking also it's gonna get back, so therefore I'm holding those positions and I don't want to let it go right now. And yeah, so what is the
fluctuating within a range. The RSI indicator is currently around 52.71, indicating a relatively neutral sentiment in the market. The
Zoom booming
trading below the
in the COVID times, and now it's just almost like flat. Is this actually worth doing anything in here?
The MACD line is negative, indicating a potential bearish signal, and the signal line is also negative, supporting the bearish sentiment. The stock's price is currently below the
Okay, in a really short answer, would you recommend me to sell?
The average true range.
I think it's suggesting for the bearish sentiment here.
Philip, as an AI assistant, I can't provide financial advice
I understand
or specific
that.
recommendations to
There
buy
are
or sell.
bearish indicators. Okay.
It's important to conduct your own.
Yep. So let's do a little bit of selling here. So Zoom, we're gonna go sell. Let me bring the Zoom in here. Zoom. Let's go. Zoom. So the stock price is similar to what we have. So we will go again with 10 stocks. Let's go sell. Okay, good. That's good. Let's go for another one. Let's go for Tesla, our favorite one. Prevail, sorry, yeah. DXY will break its recent high a few hours ago. Is there a way we can send chart analysis on this live chat, boss? I don't know, maybe you can copy your TradingView chart in here, the link. Just go ahead and try it. Try to put it in here. I think it will actually work. Should be good. So what do we have in Tesla? Hey Maddie, I really like Tesla and Elon Musk, even though he's sometimes controversial. He's a really, I think insightful guy. He's gonna take us to the moon and Mars and so on. And I'm thinking about buying the stock of Tesla right now. Can you take a look at the data and maybe provide me with some guidance on that? And if you probably think it's gonna rise again or any of your opinions. Thank you very much. I love it that you can just talk to it like that. It's just amazing. It's like you can just have this part. It's just, I love it. Let's go.
AI assistant, I can help you analyze the data for Tesla. #TSLA. And
I like how she skipped the pep talk about Elon and just went straight to the core.
Price has been fluctuating between a range.
All right.
The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is at around 50, indicating a neutral sentiment in the market.
Yeah,
the moving average indicators, MA50 and MA200, are both higher than the current price, which can be considered as a bullish sign in the long term. The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is negative but
I
showing
saw the
signs of
Dell.
convergence with the signal line.
I saw the Dell. We were in plus for a second or two.
In trend. Additionally, the Bollinger Bands are relatively tight, indicating a period of consolidation. However, please note that I can't give you specific trade advice or predict the future movement of the stock. It's always important to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before
Hey, send it
making
to
any
me.
investment decisions.
Send it to me, a personal message. I'll copy it here. No problem, man. Let's help each other out. So the price is fluctuating. This suggests a potential reversal in trend. Additional Bollinger Bands are indicating a period of consolidation. However, please. So, which can be considered as a bullish sign in the long term. Let's go. Let's go bullish. Let's go bullish. And that's what I thought, anyways. So I think we're aligned from the beginning. Let's do this. Tesla. Okay. Let's go, guys. And then 2 more stocks and we are good to go. So Tesla, it's quite expensive. Let's buy only like 2 stocks because we have to calculate with the 2 stocks. That's really, we really did there something. So you got, let's buy another 2 stocks as well. Let's compound it. So we've got like, or almost $1,000 in it. Dell is tracking to plus. Let's go, like that. Okay. Consent says, no, that this rule doesn't apply to the unpaid plans. Can send personal message as well. Oh my god. Send it to me on Instagram. Go to my Instagram, Market Mentor AI, and send it there on the Instagram. That's what she said. Or you know what? Join the Telegram group. Go to my profile here on Market Mentor AI here on TradingView. There's a link to Telegram. Join the Telegram. Send the link there. I'll copy it over here. Okay? Sounds like a plan. And we have the Tesla stock spot, so that's good. Okay, guys, we've got some signals here. We already have Dell. Let's go MACD. That's McDonald's, right? McDonald's, KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, and so on. They're actually falling right now pretty hard. And then since middle of August almost, they are recovering. What the hell? Did they release a new kind of burger? Therefore, they're falling down. French fries are not working anymore. Should we get the Royale back on the menu, boys? What do you think? So let me know when you send it to the Telegram. I can copy it here from my computer right away.
It appears that the stock has been experiencing a downward trend overall with intermittent price fluctuations. The RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands can provide some insights into the trend and potential entry points. In the 4-hour data, the RSI is currently around 41.25, indicating that the stock is approaching the oversold territory, which may suggest a potential buying opportunity. However, it's important to consider other factors such as the overall market conditions and any relevant news or events that may impact the stock. In the I've spotted a potential signal for
Okay, there's plenty of signals right now, so let's deal with this. So in short, would you rather recommend longing this or selling shorting this? Longing, selling, shorting. Okay, hopefully it's gonna go. Another stock is in plus. Zoom is already making us money. Nice. It's great. I can provide trading recommendations.
As an AI assistant, I cannot give financial advice or make predictions about the future movement of a specific stock.
So let me just go really quickly through it now. Overall with overbought territory, important one-day signs indicating a downward trend, but not an oversold conditions. Bearish momentum indicating. Okay, so it's more into bearish momentum. So we will go for sell in the McDonald's here because it seems like it is in the daily chart. It seems to be more bearish. So we will stick with this plan. McDonald's. Right. Let's do just 2 stocks in here. So let's go for the signals that we have. We've got also Netflix. Let's go for Netflix.
Hashtag NFLX.
Did you send it to the Telegram? I don't see it anywhere here. Let me know whenever you send it, okay?
I'm sorry, but as an AI assistant, I cannot provide specific trading scenarios or signals. My purpose is to provide you with accurate
And by the way, the AI is, you know, looking at the data and it decides on its own what it's going to take into account. So for example, right now, it decided to analyze the moving average of 50 and 200 combined with MACD indicator. Sometimes it goes with RSI, sometimes it goes with Bollinger Bands, sometimes it combines other factors, you know. So it's really nice work of art how it actually operates. Oh, you send it on Instagram. Sorry, man. If you could send it to Telegram. I don't have Instagram on my PC here, and I cannot copy it. And since my phone is being used... Oh, you know what? Sorry, scratch that. I actually have second phone here. Hang on. Below the signal line. So what did she
conduct
say?
thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Please let me know if there's any other information I can provide to assist you.
Let me see. I don't have any Instagram messages, man. Just look up Market Mentor AI on Instagram. And Telegram. If you go here in the profile, here in TradingView, then in the description under the profile there is Telegram link, so you can use it there. Anyways, what did she say here? So Netflix is looking at data lying above the signal line. It could be an indication of potential uptrend in the stock. Conversely, let me see. Signal line could see a downtrend. Remember. So this is in despair. This is in despair. It doesn't seem to be in a good alignment here. So let's move to another signal we had here, which was Microsoft. And that's going to be the last one, and it's going to be it for today. All right.
Hello, Philip. Based on the available data, I can see that the 4-hour chart for hashtag MSFT shows a relatively stable trend, with the stock price fluctuating within a certain range. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is around the mid-50s, indicating a neutral sentiment. In terms of the moving averages, the 50-day moving average, MA50, is trending slightly higher, suggesting a potential bullish bias in the long term. However, the 200-day moving average, MA200, is also rising, indicating overall strength.
Cool. So this is indicating again to a bullish momentum. So Microsoft, we will do another buy here. Microsoft, where do I have it? Over here. Let's go. Okay, Microsoft. Let's go, and let's buy 3 stocks. All right, so we're good to go. We're good to go, actually. I like that. So we're all set. We'll follow this up in the upcoming days. Some stocks are already making us money. That's good. And this was your showcase how you can easily use the AI to kind of just quickly swipe through. You know, doesn't have to be a day trader. You know, you could be just like a person that likes to trade stocks and kind of do a quick, comprehensive analysis of the trends and markets in a short period of time. So this took us like 33 minutes of the stream, and we decided to go for several, you know, buying opportunities. As you can see, it's already gaining momentum. Some of those stocks are already making us money. Look, and all of this is looking really good. We are getting to plus almost everywhere. So that's great. Great to hear that. And so that was the showcase, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed the stream. Remember to give us like, thumbs up, and follow here on TradingView. And also you can look me up on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. So I'm trying to be present everywhere. So thanks everyone for coming, and I'll see you again tomorrow with another live stream. We'll probably look into Forex trading again tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be about that. I'm going to leave a screen here with the gains for a little bit longer so you can follow up, and then I'll close the stream. Guys, thank you very much. And Breakthrough 101, send me the link. I'll include it here. Go to the Telegram group and send it to me. I'll include it here. Thank you everyone for coming. I'll catch you guys at the next one.
Keen to investigate? Goodbye everyone on the stream. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found the market analysis and information helpful. Remember, if you have any more questions or need assistance with trading or market analysis, feel free to come back tomorrow. Have a great day and happy trading!